Welcome back to Fab Fun. My name's Logan, and today I'm going to be working on a project that I saw my good friend Ben Kennedy do. This is going to turn into a fire pit. 24-inch Agco wheel. It's off my old Agco when I got new wheels so I could have it spaced out a little bit wider. These are not able to be flipped out. They're pretty much centered the way they are. I think I'm going to cut the dish out, move it all the way down, and weld it back in so that I've got a deeper fire pit. So stay tuned, let's see what it looks like. Well, I couldn't get the center disc to knock loose, so I just cut all the way around it. Let that piece sit on the ground, flip the other one over. Maybe you can tell by the profile. I think I'm just going to use it like that. But I'll have to weld around it. I'll have to make a little stand, and I think instead of closing this all in, I might put a couple of bars across there and use that to collect ashes, maybe have a pan underneath. I haven't quite figured that out yet, but I'm gonna think about it for a little while and call it a night. We'll finish this video tomorrow. go ahead and get some practice with this MIG welder. I adjusted the speed down just a little bit, and I'm getting better results. I did change the tip as well. I think that might have been a bad tip because it was fairly new, but it was just clogging up the wire, and I haven't had a problem since I changed tips. Mine was now a little defective. For somebody that does it really well, let's get a little bit closer. Well, they don't really wire weld. Well, hey, I think we made some progress. I even put a little bolt on the ashtray. Put some metal bars down in there so the big chunks of wood won't fall through, or small ones rather. I've got this little oven grate. Might be able to cook some stuff over it. Definitely need to cook out all of the paint that's in there right now. Probably run this a couple times before I cook anything over it, and then paint it with some black grill paint, high temperature. And then I think we'll have a nice little fire pit. Well, thanks for watching. We do appreciate all the views and especially the comments. Some of them are pretty funny. Appreciate everybody that's been following the channel for a long time, and any new subscribers, welcome. If you like the content so far, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Have fun.